Classification of industries. On the basis of various characteristic features, industries are divided into various categories. The first one is on the basis of source of raw materials used. In this, there are two categories: agro-based and mineral-based industry. In this, cotton, woolen, jute, silk textile, tea, coffee, edible oil all falls in the category of agro-based industry. Whereas iron and steel, cement, aluminium, machine tools, etc. all are in the category of mineral-based industry. Now coming to the next category is according to their main role. They are divided again into two categories: basic or key industry and consumer industries. The examples of basic and key industry are iron and steel and copper smelting, aluminium smelting. These are such industries where the supply of the product as raw material is being done. These are further processed and converted into the finished goods. Whereas in consumer industries, the production of goods are for direct uses. The examples of consumer industries are paper, sewing machine, fans, refrigerator, washing machine, etc. Now the next category is on the basis of capital investment. In this, the industries are classified into two categories: a small scale industry and large scale industry. A small scale industry is defined as an industry where the investment is done in crore. Example, footwear and plastic industry. Whereas a large scale industry is defined as where the investment is done in millions or billions. Examples are iron and steel industry, cement industry and chemical industry. The next category is on the basis of ownership. Here the industries are divided into four categories. The first one is public sector. It is owned and operated by the government. Example, BHEL and SAIL. Private sector industries are owned and operated by an individual or group of individuals. Example, TISCO, RIL, Reliance India Limited, etc. The next category is the joint sector industries. These are jointly run by the state and individual or a group of individuals. Example, Oil India Limited. Next category is cooperative sector. These industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw material and workers both. They pool their resources to earn the profit. Some of the examples are Amul, Ananda and sugar industry. Last but not the least category is based on the bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. In this category, the industries are divided into two categories: heavy industries and light-weighted industries. Heavy industries, such industries which are bulky in nature for the transportation purpose, like iron and steel industry and cement industry. The last category is light industry. Industries that are using the raw material that is light-weighted, not bulky, and produce the products that is also light-weighted goods are considered as light industries. Example, electrical goods industries,